Welcome to the HAL APS channel. In this video I will demonstrate how to add a batch resource. Batch resources require control of the physical parameters of the batch, for example volume, physicochemical parameters, for example temperature, composition of the raw material, time parameters of technological operations and many others. In the scheduling process, it is possible not to achieve the minimum batch, economically viable in a given period of its grouping, or to exceed the maximum batch, which in such a case must be divided into sub-batches. Batch resources can modify the material consumption specified in the BOM or recipe, because, for example, a part of the raw material that we are not able to recover may remain in the mixer. Batch resources are also characterized by the fact that it is not always profitable to produce any amount of batch from min to max. There may be discrete intermediate values defining the type series of batches. For HAL, all I have said are standard tasks. HAL can do much more, because scheduling complex cases on batch resources is its very strong point. Batch resources are usually bottlenecks, so planners struggle to set the optimal changeover sequence. HAL APS can build virtually any changeover sequence. In this example, we have shown the definition of a mixer that has a minimum and maximum batch limit, batch losses, batch type series, and groups operations that have the same process duration, the same mass viscosity, the same process temperature, require the same mixing speed, the same number of process phases. HAL has no limits on the number of 3D parameters grouping the batch. The start and end grouping options are very important for flow batch resources. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.